Gusto ba ninyo itong crispy eggplant with char siu glaze? Nood lang kayo. Madali lang gawin to. Very special ang gagawin natin pero madaling-madali at hindi naman ganun kamahal ang ating recipe ngayon. Gagamit tayo ng talong. Ayan, no, na-slice ko na to. Naumpisahan ko na ma-slice to. I-slice natin into what they call batons. Okay? Parang malalaking french fries. Yan. Gagawin natin batons to. Ay piprito natin tong eggplant. Gagawin natin crispy. Okay, we're going to use cornstarch. Here we go. De-dredge natin ang cornstarch. Ready ko na yung oil natin para mabilisan itong luto natin. Ayan, o. Lalagyan natin ng Healthy Chef soya oil, okay? So, i-dredge natin to. Cornstarch ang gagamitin natin. Pwede rin double A. Okay? Ang flour medyo hindi okay sa recipe to kasi hindi okay sa recipe itong flour kasi hindi siya magiging ganun ka-crispy. Maganda nito, paglagay natin ng glaze, parang Korean style na glazing, malutong pa rin. Lalagay natin yung egg white, okay? Lalagyan ko na ng konting pepper. Lalagyan ko na rin ng konting salt. Okay? Pwede rin ilagay yung salt sa eggplant, pero ito, de-dredge ko lang ito sa egg white natin. Okay, so we put this, itong egg white natin, magkaroon ng moisture, magkakaroon ng excess coating, didikit ngayon ang ating cornstarch. Okay, and we're going to add more cornstarch. Eggplant. Ayan. Dumikit na talaga ang cornstarch sa ating eggplant at magiging crispy to. So, eto na ang ating glaze. I'm going to mix hoisin sauce. So, hoisin. Lagay natin yung hoisin, tapos ayun yung char siu sauce. Itong char siu, they use this for asado and for chicken and kung ano-anong mga dried, roasted, or fried products. I am going to use this for the eggplant. Okay? So, this is still a vegetarian dish. No? It's nice kasi plant-based, pwede sa mga taong kumakain ng meat at mga taong hindi kumakain ng meat. I'm going to put a little vinegar, white pepper, a little white pepper, and chili garlic paste. Ayan, chili garlic paste. Lalagay ko ngayon dito. Yan ang gagawin nating glaze natin. We're going to make this into our glaze. Let's put this aside. Our Healthy Chef oil, and we are going to deep frying our eggplant. There you go. Yung mga gumagawa ng tempura, gamitin nyo yung oil nyo na pinagprituhan nyo ng hipon. Pag medyo woody na ang consistency, tapik ng konti, makahoy-kahoy na yung piniprito natin, crispy na yon. In comes ang ating glaze. Ayan na po. Pabubulain po natin to. Ayan. Bubula na siya. Ready na tayong mag-coat. So, ito. Matigas na yung ating eggplant sa pagka-fry. And all we gotta do is just put that in our glaze. We don't need to coat everything fully, no? Hindi kailangan. Ang importante, magkaroon lang siya ng lasa at saka gentle coat lang. And there you go. We have our crispy eggplant. Make sure that when you fry the eggplant, golden siya. So, you have a really crispy coating on your eggplant. Let's taste it. Here we go. Delicious. Tama lang yung asim, tama yung tamis, white pepper pa, tama lang yung anghang, some dahon sibuyas or onion chives. Pwede. Ang sarap nito. Okay? Friends, maraming salamat. Okay? Thank you very much for watching and we will continue giving you more exciting flavors. No? Meron tayong mga padating. Meron tayong padating ng pwedeng panregalo or what. Okay? But in between, share ko muna to sa inyo. Kakain tayo.